Hi, this is Cass WMS, and this is gonna kind of be a quickie, and I am truly just experimenting. Um, I printed up these monstera leaves, I guess they look like. I printed them up on my newly acquired 3D printer, and I wanted to know what would happen if I added some alcohol ink. And I just realized that this particular alcohol ink that I had is a pearlized one. And I want to use it, so I apologize for the shaking sound in the background. But I think the rest of them are just regular ones. So yeah, I just grabbed some greens, a little bit of blue. I don't know why, but I don't know. I said I would just look and see what would happen. Since this isn't, and I guess it would help if you did not miss the object. I just want to see what would happen. And I'm probably going to have to allow the inks to maybe kind of set and dry. So, like I said, I am experimenting here. I don't want that light blue. Maybe a little bit of. And look how that one didn't even pour off. So I've been into 3D printing now for a number of years, off and on. Now that I'm retired, it can be more on than off. And I kind of got my son hooked into 3D printing also. And last summer he had a big printing job that afforded him the opportunity to pick up some really nice printers. And let's see, I don't want that on my gray surface. I had to struggle to open this one. It's been a while. So I wanted to start printing in colors, multiple colors, and I didn't even want to get into the multiple colors just being based on, layered selection. So, needless to say, I wanted a Bambu AMS printer, and he had a bunch. A couple he wasn't even using right now. So I was like, yeah, well, should I buy a new printer? And he was like, nah, you should get this kind that I have, the Bambu. And so, wow, I kind of like that. So, to save me money, my sweet child said, Mom, if you just buy the AMS, I'll give you one of my printers. And I was like, oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. So I'm thinking about the flip side. I don't want all this ink on my hand, but look, since you didn't wear any gloves, you did want all this ink on your hand. And hopefully the back is getting inked up too. Ooh, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I like what I see. So I'm wondering if I need to maybe this one has that. I'm gonna put this. I do have another plate over here. Yeah. I'll put this over here on that other plate. This one has got a little more of that blue over there. So let's see if I can get, wow. So since I said this was truly an experiment, and I didn't want this to be a long video, I'm going to say, okay, stay tuned for part 2 or the full reveal. All right, this is Cass WMS signing off for right now. Okay. If you want to see what happens with the completed project, hit that subscribe button. Give me a comment if you've ever tried this or thought about any of this, and let me know if you like what I'm doing right now. So, because I could use the feedback, definitely. Okay, bye-bye.